Updating your billing information on Payoneer is essential for ensuring that your payments and transactions are processed smoothly. Follow these simple steps to update your information. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account settings where you can manage your billing information. Step 3. Select billing information. In the settings menu, find and click on the billing information or payment methods section. This is where you will be able to view and edit your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Enter the new billing information you wish to update, such as credit card details or bank account information. Ensure that all the information is accurate to avoid any issues with transactions. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the updated billing information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure that your new billing information is saved in your account. By following these steps, you can successfully update your billing information on Payoneer. Regularly checking and updating your information helps maintain smooth transactions and account security.